In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. This setup will enable your business to streamline communications, automate tasks, and ultimately connect more efficiently with your customers through WhatsApp. To begin, there are a few prerequisites you'll need to have in place. First, it's important to note that this integration requires either a HubSpot Professional or Enterprise account. You can't use a basic HubSpot plan for this setup. Additionally, you'll need a WhatsApp Business API account, as a personal WhatsApp account won't suffice for this purpose. Lastly, although optional, you might consider using an intermediary platform such as Respond.io. These platforms can make the integration process smoother and offer more advanced features, which we'll touch upon later. Now let's dive into connecting WhatsApp to HubSpot. The first step is to install the WhatsApp integration app from the HubSpot app marketplace. To do this, navigate to the marketplace and search for a WhatsApp integration app. For example, you can use apps from providers like TransFunnel or EasyBee. Once you've found a suitable app, follow the installation instructions carefully and link your WhatsApp business account by granting the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it allows HubSpot to communicate with your WhatsApp business account. Once you've successfully added the integration app, the next step is to enable WhatsApp as a channel within HubSpot's Conversations inbox. To do that, go to HubSpot, navigate to Conversations, and then click on Inbox. Within the inbox settings, look for the option to connect a channel. Here, you'll select WhatsApp and assign it to specific users or teams within your organization. This setup ensures that the right people have access to interact with customers via WhatsApp messages. For those looking to maximize the efficiency of this communication channel, you might want to set up message automation within HubSpot. This is entirely optional, but it can be highly beneficial. By using HubSpot workflows, you can automate sending WhatsApp messages based on specific triggers. These triggers could include actions like form submissions, changes in deal stages, or even part of follow-up sequences. Automating these interactions not only saves time, but also ensures that your communication is timely and relevant. If you opt to use an intermediary platform, like Respond.io, first create an account on the platform. Once your account is set up, you'll need to connect it to your WhatsApp Business API credentials following the platform's instructions. Then, connect this intermediary platform to your HubSpot account, again paying close attention to each step in their guidelines. One final yet crucial task is to verify that contact details are syncing correctly between HubSpot and the intermediary platform. This ensures that your customer information remains accurate and up-to-date across both systems, facilitating smooth communication and data tracking. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your HubSpot and WhatsApp integration is set up efficiently and effectively, empowering your business to offer superior customer service through one of the world's most popular messaging platforms.